Grundle here for Math Lesson 26 today. Today, our I can statement is I can match and count to compare two sets of objects. I can also state which quantity is less. So that means which number is smaller. Let's get going. I found all of these shapes. All of these sets were mixed up, which makes it really hard to figure out what information I have here. Now, we've been working with some sets and finding different ways to organize our information or understand them. You think, what could I do to figure out my different sets? What can I do to compare them? I could count them, but it's a little confusing because they're all mixed together. I could match them, find some pairs. Okay. If I'm drawing my lines all through this, that might get a little messy too. I could put them in a line. Great. Now we've been putting our shapes or our different sets into rows, side to side. Today I want to try putting them into a column, up and down. Let's do this. The first one I want to compare is squares to circles. All right, I'm going to find all of my squares and put them in a column going up and down. All right, you let me know if I miss any. I need to make sure I get every single square. Here's one. Any more? One more. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to get our circles. Let's see. Start here. I'm going to do my best to line them up with my square column. Okay. I see two more over here. Perfect. Here is my square column and my circle column. Now, I bet that you can just look at these two columns and tell me which one has more and which one has less. Remember, more is the one that's bigger and less is the one that's smaller. So what do you think? Which one has less? Our squares. We can tell because it is shorter than the circle column. I could also count just to double check. Please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 squares. Let's see how many circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We were right. There are less squares than circles because we know 6 is smaller than 7. Great work. What shape should we do next? Thinking maybe rectangles. All right, I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to bring my rectangles down and stack them into a nice column. And here. All right, let's compare my rectangles to my circles. Look at that information that we just found. Which one is less, the rectangles or the circles? I can tell even before I counted that the rectangles is less because it is shorter than my column tower. Let's count to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only have 5 rectangles. So we can say that 5 is less than 7. Great work, you guys. 2 more. Should we do triangles or hexagons? Let's do triangles. All right. Drag all of my triangles over to a nice up and down column. All right, how does that look? Pretty good? Okay, you tell me, which one has less, the triangles or the rectangles? You got it. We have less triangles than rectangles. Let's check out our quantity or how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write 4 down by my triangles. Can you say our math sentence with me? 4 is less than 5. Perfect. So I know in your brain you're probably thinking, if 4 is less than 5, 5 has to be more than 4. So we can go back and forth with those now that we've learned both. All right, let's do our last one. We have our hexagons. Here we go. All right. Take a look at this information. What do you notice? I notice that my triangles and my hexagons are the same length. When I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, I noticed that it's the same quantity. So what's that special math word that we use when two things are the same? Equals. Great job. My triangles and my hexagons are equal. We have the same number of both of those shapes. Awesome work today, everyone. Now it's your turn. In your math book, you are going to find our page for lesson 26. You're going to check out your quantities and tell us what is less. All right. Thank you so much for working with me today. I will see you all later. Bye-bye.